everyone. Let's get ready to make our numbers. The number 1 just goes down, just goes down.
What?
Just goes down. The number 1 just goes down. That's how you make a 1. The number 2 is curve, slant down across, curve, slant down across, curve, slant down across. The number 2 is curve, slant down across. That's how you make a 2. The number 3 is bump across, try it. Bump across, try it. Bump across, your turn. The number 3 is bump across, good job. That's how you make a 3. The number 4 is slant across, down, slant across, down, slant across, down. The number 4 is slant across, down. That's how you make a 4. The number 5 is across, down, around, stop, across, down, around, stop, across, down, around, stop. The number 5 is across, down, around, stop. That's how you make a 5. The number 6 is around, curve, up, close, around, curve, up, close, around, curve, up, close. The number 6 is around, curve, up, close. That's how you make a 6. The number 7 is across and slant, across and slant, across and slant. The number 7 is across and slant. That's how you make a 7. The number 8 is curve in, curve out, curve up, curve up. Number 8, the number 8 is curve in, curve out, curve up, 8. The number 9 is curve up, around, stop, curve up, around, stop, curve up, around, stop. The number 9 is curve up, around, stop. That's how you make a 9. The number 0 is around and close, around and close, around and close. The number 0 is around and close. That's how you make a 0. Children in the class can make all the digits. Children in the class can make all the digits. Make all the digits, make all the digits. You made so many numbers. The children in the class can make all the digits. Great job! You are superstars.